Chris again from Falcon Technology. Today we are talking about television and boosted internet. If TV is important to you and you want the guarantee of television reception, then a satellite system is the best way to do that. So, advantage of satellite versus traditional antenna in rural areas away from transmitters and signal is poor, now also is signal for your television. The advantage of the QuickSat satellite system allows you then to have a connection from the satellite transmitter in the sky where there is no signal. Or alternatively, you might go to foreign parts like France or Belgium or the Netherlands or some of Germany or even southern France and then Spain. Now you may want to watch English television. So with the satellite dish, size dependent, you can now travel abroad into Europe and still watch your UK television. Now some of us are watching television in different ways. We are watching smart TV or catch-up TV. So this system also comes with a boosted internet system, which will then boost your internet when you are again in rural environments. With our smartphones, we have poor signal. We can now connect our smartphones to the boosted internet solution and now be able to make a Wi-Fi call where we can't make a phone call. So the complete solution of boosted internet and satellite all as one bundle fitted at Falcon. As a club member, there is a super special offer on for club members. The saving is £400. There are two options. There's the QSA 65 and the QSA 85. The basic difference between the two is the QSA 85 is a bigger dish and allows you to travel and still be able to get English television further into France and then into northern Spain. For further information, give us a call on 0800 622 474 or send us an email through the website or at sales@falcontechnical.co.uk or go to Facebook and drop us a direct message. Two buttons to press with the satellite system. One button is for the satellite and the other button is for the kettle. By the time the kettle has boiled, you're watching television. Life made easy by Falcon Technology. Guaranteed TV reception and boosted internet. Thanks for watching the video and hope to speak to you soon. Bye for now.